Hey everyone, welcome back to new series of Python. In today's video, we will be discussing about the Python Boolean. So, Python Boolean type is one of the built-in data type provided by the Python, which represents one of the two values that can be either true or false. Generally, it is used to represent the truth values of the expression, and the output class bool indicates that the variable is Boolean data type. Now, let's go with an example. Let's say A, and we just gonna input the values. So we just need to input an integer value. You can just use the in constructor, and as the user just need to input the value, we can just use the input function over here, and let's say enter the number. Later on, we can just go with the expression because we know that the bool is mainly used to represent the truth values of the expression. Okay, and let's say if a equal to 1, then we just need to print the result as true. So here you can just go like true, or else we just need to get the result as false. So let's say that, here we can find a small error. We haven't used the colon, and let's put that. And here you can see currently we have corrected the syntax error over there. And if the value that provided by the user is not 1, then we just need to get the result as false. So let's print this and let's enter the value. So let me enter the value as 1. And here you can see currently we have got the result as true. And now let me again print this and let me give the value as 100. And you can see the result is false. So basically, the Boolean data type is used for representing the truth values of the expression. Now let's go with the other example, which means we just need to check the type of the Boolean. So the Boolean value can be either two types only, that is either true or false. And we know that the output class bool indicates that the variable is a Boolean type. So let's say A is equal to true. And we just need to check the type of A. So you can just use the print function, use the type constructor, and provide the object, which is A over here. And let's say B is equal to false. And we just need to again check the type of B. So you can just use the print function, use the type constructor, and pass the object, which is B over there. Later on, you can just run the file, and here you can see that we can get the result. Before that, let me hide this over here. Okay. Now let's again run, and you can see that we have got the result, that is class as bool for both variables A and B. Now, next we're going to discuss about how to evaluate the variables and expression. So we can evaluate the values and variables using the Python bool function. This method is used to return or convert a value to a Boolean value. That can be either true or false using the standard truth testing procedure. So the syntax basically that is used will be like, we can just see the syntax like bool of X this is the syntax that is basically used. Now let's go with the Python bool function. So we can also evaluate the expressions without using the bool functions also. The bool value will be returned as a result of some sorts of comparison. So let's find the examples over here. So let's go with an example, that is the Python program to illustrate built-in method bool. So first we will return false as X is not equal to Y. So let's return false as X is not equal to Y. So let me say that X is equal to 5 and Y is equal to 10. Now you can just use the print function, and let's use the bool function over here. So we just need to get the result in the console. So use the bool constructor and provide the expression which is x is equal to y. So as x is not equal to y, you will get a result as false over there. So let's print this, and here you can see the result is false. Now let's return false as x is none. Now the other example is we just need to return false as x is none. So let me say that x is equal to none, and let's print result in the console. So you can just provide the x over here. So as you just run this here, you can see again you will get the result as false for as the x is none. Now the other example is that we just need to return false as x is an empty sequence. Okay, so x will be an empty sequence, so just put an empty bracket over here, and we can just print the result in the console. So use the bool function and print it over here. And yeah, let's say we just need to get the result of x. As you just run this here, again you will get the result as false as x is an empty sequence. So return false as x is an empty sequence. Okay, and we have got the result over there. Now the second thing, the other thing that we're going to discuss is returning false as x is an empty mapping. So you can just provide that returns false as x is an empty mapping. So let's say x is equal to, use the curly braces over here, and we just need to print the result in the console. And let's print that, and here again we will get the result as false. Now we would go with return false as x is 0. So x is equal to 0, and we just need to print the result. Now we just need to get the result bool of x, and here again you can see it will give a result of false over there. So if you want to identify this, let's use an identifier. 0 again. Let's run this, and here you can see the change over there. Now let's return true as x is a non-empty string. Okay, so let me give it over here. Return x as true as x is a non-empty string. So let's say x is equal to Cybrosys, and we just need to print the result in the console. So you can just use a bool constructor, then provide x over here, and let's print result. And here you can see finally we have got the result as we can say that x returns as true as x is a non-empty string. Now here we're going to discuss about the Python Boolean operators. So Boolean operations in Python are the simple arithmetics of true and false values, and these values can be manipulated by the use of the Boolean operator, which includes the and, or, and not. And here you can find the Boolean common operations are or, and, not, equivalent, and not equivalent. Now let's discuss one by one. That is the Boolean or. The Boolean or operator returns true value if any input is true, else it returns false. Let's consider an example or the truth table. Let's say A and B and A or B. So if both A and B are true, then the result, that is A or B, will be true. If A is true and B is false, then A or B will be true. And if A is false and B is true, then A or B will be true. And if both A and B are false, then the truth table will result as false. Now let's perform the example for the Python Boolean or operator. Now let's go with an example. Let's say A equal to 1, B equal to 2, and C is equal to 4. Now let's give an expression over here as A greater than B or B less than C. So if the result is true, we can just say that we need to print it as true, else we just need to get it as false. So let's say print false over here. So now let's see how we just gonna perform it in the Python. So here we know A is 1. So 1 is actually less than B because B is greater. So here the expression is given like if A greater than B. So here we have to substitute the values of A and B. So 1 greater than B is 2. So we know that it's false. The result will be false. And we are using the OR operator. And here you can see the other expression B less than C. So B is 2 and C is 4. So 2 less than 4. Yes, 2 is less than 4. So the expression is true. So in this case, we can say that one of the expression results in false and the other expression results in true. So again, we can conclude that this result like false or true. So in case of the OR operator, we know that if any one of the input is true, then the result will be true. So as you just ran this here, you can see you will get the result as true. Now let's change the expression as B greater than C. And here you can see now you will get the result as false. So again, let's run this. And here you can see we got the result as false as both expressions are false. Okay, so this is how we just manage with the OR operator in Python. Now let's go with the AND operator. So in case of AND operator, the Boolean operator runs false if any of the input is false. So let's consider the truth table. Let's say A and B, and the result will be A and B. Okay, so if both A and B are true, the result will be true. If A is true and B is false, then the result will be false. If A is false and B is true, then the result will be again false. If both A and B are false, then it will return the result as false. Now let's consider an example for the AND operator. Let's say A is equal to 0, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to false. And let's go with an expression over here. That is if A greater than B and B less than C. If this expression is true, then we just need to print the result as true. So you can just use the print function and provide the thing over here as true. Else, we just need to print as false. Okay. So let's see how this expression works. So here A is greater than B. So the statement is actually false and a false statement as well as here B, we know B is that is 2 is less than 4, which is true. So in case of AND operator, we know that if both expressions are true, then the result will be true. If any one of the input is false, then the result will be false. So here in this case, this result is false and this result is true. So you will get the result as false. Now let me change both over here to true expression. So here you can see A less than B and B less than C. So we know 0 is less than 2 and 2 is less than 4. And here you can see that the result will be true. Now let's go with the other one, that is the Python Boolean not operator. So when the value A is 0, it is considered as falsy and the code block inside the if statement is executed and the print its corresponding message. Now let's demonstrate an example for the Python Boolean not operator. Let's say A is equal to 0 and if not A, then we can print the message over here like Boolean value of A is false. So here you can see that we have got the result, that is the output will be Boolean of A is false. Now let's discuss about the Boolean equivalent and not equivalent operator. So both operators are used to compare two results, that is the equivalent operator returns the true if two results are true. Now let's discuss about the Boolean equivalent and not equivalent operator. So both operators are used to compare two results, like the equivalent operator returns true if two results are equal and not equivalent operators returns true if the two are not same. So I hope this video clarifies how the Boolean type works in Python. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.